Want to learn how to cook up family memories? My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. And so some of the things we can do is really cultivating healthy traditions, not unhealthy traditions like most people do. In family systems, they often pass down unhealthy habits, unhealthy lifestyle behaviors that then generations perpetuate again and again. And so what we want to do is we want to change that paradigm. So perhaps we're going to instill a family cooking night where everybody in the family takes turns. We talk about healthy dishes. Maybe we share antidotes. Maybe we even pass down generational recipes that are, of course, healthy, or maybe even generational recipes that we can put a healthy spin on. I really think that bonding and connecting and healing the family is necessary so that our planet heals. And so if you want to learn more about how you can heal and you can heal your family, please click the link in my bio and schedule a consultation. Check out my daily lives at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I teach you how to live a holistic lifestyle.